Hi, I'm Andy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna attempt to replace the rubber grip of this Nikon D300. Stick around and watch this video. So I had this Nikon D300 since 2012, and for about 4 years I wasn't able to use this, and I decided to have it fixed recently. So the mirror would lock up and I wouldn't be able to use it, so they had to clean and lubricate the internals of the mirror mechanism. And then I also had to buy a new battery for this, and now my D300 is good to go. And I love this camera so much. It has excellent image quality that I feel, even though it's 2020, I will still be using this a lot. So I noticed that the rubber grip and the rubber panels around the body have been deformed already. So this is due to wear and tear. So in the upper portion of the hand grip and even in the lower portion, it has already popped up. And beneath in the camera, there also is a rubber plate that was deformed, and this is due to the use of it in a tripod. On the left side, there also is a rubber panel that's relatively still okay, but I can still see some areas that are blistering. And also for the access rubber door here on the left side, which will allow you to plug in your USB and HDMI cable, it already expanded, and it's so difficult to close this door and even to open it again. So I believe for me to change this, I will have to access this left front portion to unscrew it and replace this one. So I went online to look for a set of rubber grips and panels for the D300, and I was able to find a replacement set. This actually is not original, but as I looked at the materials, they seem very precise, and hopefully they would fit really well with my D300. So okay, so this is the rubber door, this is the hand grip, and this is the left side front panel, and this is the bottom panel, and this is the thumb grip at the back of the camera. It also comes with 3M double-sided tape. So I think the difference of this replacement set compared to an original is that the tape is not yet stuck into the rubber panels. So I believe I'll have to cut this and take the right shape in order to secure this firmly into the camera body. Okay, before we get started, here are some items that I prepared. I don't have any professional tools, but I have a flashlight. So I will have to check one of the screws that holds the battery grip here. So I will have to look inside the battery compartment for that. I have hobby scissors to cut the tape. I brought my glasses in case I won't be able to see the tiny screw. I have 2 screwdrivers. I'm not sure what size this is. Hopefully it will work. I have tweezers just in case I need it. I have a towel, a cotton ball, and also a Q-tip with some alcohol also to clean the body. So there's still some residue and adhesive that has been there from the current rubber grip, so we'll have to clean that very well before we stick in the new rubber. I also have a utility knife just in case I need to further trim the 3M adhesive tape. So these are not professional tools, but hopefully I'll be able to get it right. And kids, don't try this at home. Okay, so I'll probably have to speed up my video also as I do this, and let's see how it goes. So I will start first with the main rubber grip here. So I will remove the screw here, and then I will remove the rubber grip. Okay, so I'm done taping this. We'll just remove the back peel and then we'll attach the new rubber grip here to the D300. And there it is. Perfect fit. I'm glad I've got that done. Okay, so let's try the other rubber panels. Let's see if we can get it to be as good as this rubber grip over here. So I'm gonna speed up again the video for this. So this is awesome. It looks really good. I'm so glad I replaced the rubber grips. Actually, I didn't have any experience in doing this. I just saw some tutorials online on how I could do it. I ordered the parts. I'm gonna put the link below so you may check it out over there. Let me know in the comment section below if you're planning to replace the rubber grips of your camera so that they would look good and look new once again. So that's it for this episode. If you found this video helpful, you may want to like the video, or perhaps you'd like to consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell below so you could get notifications if I have new videos uploaded. And till my next episode, I'll see you guys soon.